If only expresses strong wishes or regrets about present or past situations. It shows we want something different from reality. This structure carries more emotion than regular I wish sentences. The basic structure follows simple rules. For present wishes, use if only plus past simple tense. For past regrets, use if only plus past perfect tense. These verb forms create the unreal situation effect. Present wishes use past simple after if only. If only I lived in Paris means the speaker does not live there now, but strongly wants to. If only I was rich expresses current dissatisfaction with financial situation. Both show unreal present reality. Past regrets use past perfect after if only. If only I had studied harder means the studying did not happen and now there's regret. If only she had not missed the bus shows something negative happened in the past. Past perfect creates distance from reality. Future desires use would or could after if only. If only you would call me tomorrow expresses hope for future action from someone else. If only it would stop raining shows desire for future change in situation or behavior. Remember these three main patterns. Present uses past simple. Past uses past perfect. Future uses would or could. This table summarizes when to use each structure for different time periods. Practice makes perfect with if only. First situation hates rain, so Phil would stop. Second situation does not know phone number, so Phil knew. Third situation team lost, so Phil had won. Think about correct tense for each situation. Here are the correct answers. If only it would stop uses would for future change. If only I knew uses past simple for present wish. If only we had won uses past perfect for past regret. Each matches the time period correctly. Key points to remember. Present tense uses past simple form. Past tense uses past perfect form. Future tense uses would or could. If only expresses stronger emotion than I wish alone.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.